Examples of noun sentences. The cat chased the mouse. The cat chased the mouse. She bought a new car. She bought a new car. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The river flowed calmly. The river flowed calmly. The students listened attentively. The students listened attentively. Mountains surround the valley. Mountains surround the valley. The baby giggled with joy. The baby giggled with joy. The concert was electrifying. The concert was electrifying. The ocean sparkled under the moonlight. The ocean sparkled under the moonlight. Her smile brightened the room. Her smile brightened the room. I love reading books. I love reading books. The computer crashed unexpectedly. The computer crashed unexpectedly. The chef prepared a delicious meal. The chef prepared a delicious meal. He received a letter from his friend. He received a letter from his friend. The flowers bloomed in the spring. The flowers bloomed in the spring. The clock struck 12. The clock struck 12. The dog wagged its tail. The dog wagged its tail. The police officer patrolled the neighborhood. The police officer patrolled the neighborhood. She wears a beautiful necklace. She wears a beautiful necklace. The elephant trumpeted loudly. The elephant trumpeted loudly. The doctor prescribed medication. The doctor prescribed medication. The artist painted a stunning portrait. The artist painted a stunning portrait. We saw a shooting star. We saw a shooting star. The children played in the park. The children played in the park. The firefighter extinguished the flames. The firefighter extinguished the flames. She wore a red dress to the party. She wore a red dress to the party. The earthquake shook the ground. The earthquake shook the ground. The scientist conducted an experiment. The scientist conducted an experiment. The airplane flew overhead. The airplane flew overhead. The baby slept peacefully. The baby slept peacefully. The storm caused damage to the buildings. The storm caused damage to the buildings. The architect designed a modern building. The architect designed a modern building. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. The musician played the guitar. The musician played the guitar. The soccer player scored a goal. The soccer player scored a goal. The owl hooted in the night. The owl hooted in the night. The detective solved the mystery. The detective solved the mystery. The journalist reported the news. The journalist reported the news. The shoes were on sale. The shoes were on sale. The farmer harvested crops. The farmer harvested crops. The judge made a fair decision. The judge made a fair decision. The moon shines brightly. The moon shines brightly. The athlete won a gold medal. The athlete won a gold medal. The company achieved its target. The company achieved its target. The baby crawled on the floor. The baby crawled on the floor. The author wrote a best-selling novel. The author wrote a best-selling novel. The rain poured heavily. The rain poured heavily. The astronaut floated in space. The astronaut floated in space. The waiter served a delicious meal. The waiter served a delicious meal. The butterfly fluttered its wings. The butterfly fluttered its wings.